Hello and welcome to the Volintech channel. Today I am going to show yet another package what I got from Japan. Seiko watches. I bought on auction in Japan. Should be 8 watches here. And let's see. Let's see. And this is 6206 model. Seiko-matic week dater. So it has week day here and the date of the month here. Sometimes the day is displayed at 6 o'clock here. In this case it's at 9. Does it work? Doesn't look like it works. No, it doesn't work, but this is what actually expected. We will open it, check, fix, clean and service. Otherwise it's good watch. Oops. The case back came out. Let's see. It's also dolphin here. The model also 6206. This is also a week dater. I can see nice gold plated movement. And day is at 6 o'clock here. How about working? It doesn't work either, but it's fine. We'll see. Oh, it started to work. Okay. It's just dirty and it needs this case back to be pressed over here. Nice bracelet. Maybe not original, but not bad. Not bad at all. A nice looking watch. Okay, this is second one. In this package I think it should be 4 watches of the same model. 6206. Okay, this is interesting watch. This is prismatic. Prismatic. I never had this watch before. This model. And pretty short bracelet. 5146 model. 5146. Now this watch was produced only from 1969 to 1971. 2 years production only. How about movement? Does it work? Not yet. Doesn't look like it works. No, it doesn't work, but again, it was expected. It started to work. It was not enough power from the beginning. Now it works. This is unique for my collection. This is prismatic 5146. This is another 6206 week dater with day at the 6 o'clock. Yeah, 6206. And dolphin there. It works. Very nice. Okay, no surprise, this is the 4th week dater and it's in very good condition. Very good condition. It's like new. It's like was given the good service. At least the case is very nicely polished and the crystal is like new. Wow, this is nice. It could not be working. Is it 60? Yeah, 6206. How about shaking it a little bit and see if it works? Not yet. Yeah, now it works. And this is the last envelope, but it should contain 3 watches from the same seller. Let's see. This is the one. Magnification window. And this is Seiko Sportsmatic. This moment is 7625. 7625. It was produced from 1963 to 1969. 6 years, and it's very old watch. No bracelet. Yeah, it moves. date only. Okay. Second one is gold tone plated. It's also Seiko Sportsmatic. Seiko Sportsmatic. No day, no date. And it has only 17 jewels. This is pretty old watch too. And the writings only on this circle, on the around. Nothing is here. And it's saying that it's 15017 model. It was produced before Seiko came with standardized movement assignments. So they gave some numbers before, and it works, and it has no bracelet. And last one, but not least, I think, this is Seiko Seikomatic, which means the model is 5106. No move, doesn't move. Second hand doesn't move. It's okay, we will take a look. Okay, that's it for this bunch. Let's see what we got. These are all watches from this package. A lot of work, a lot of fun, a lot of service and restoration. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye now.